Welcome to the English department at TKU. We provide personalized care for every student. Our inspiring teaching empowers learners to excel. At TKU, we believe in AI-driven education. Our focus is on student success. We integrate ESG principles for a sustainable future. Experience the benefits of personalized learning. Enjoy customized support for every student. We empower you to achieve your academic goals. We help you unlock your full potential. Experience the future of education at TKU English, where AI innovation, digitalization, and ESG principles converge to create a sustainable learning environment.
Welcome to our video. Today we'll focus on identifying problems of organization in your classmates' autobiographies. But when we say organization, we're not just talking about general structure. We're specifically looking at how well the writing follows the STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. A well-organized autobiography should clearly follow this sequence. The situation should provide the background. The task should explain the writer's goal or responsibility. The action should describe what they actually did. And the result should show the outcome of those actions. As you read, ask yourself, is the situation clearly stated at the beginning? Do I understand what the person was responsible for? Are the actions specific and easy to follow? Is there a clear and meaningful result at the end? If any of these parts are missing, unclear, or out of order, that's something to point out in your feedback. Use STAR as your guide for giving helpful, organized, and constructive comments. Now let's go over your task for this peer review activity. You'll follow 3 simple steps to think about your classmates' autobiographies, with a focus on how well they follow the STAR method. Step 1. Read the manuscript. Take your time to read your classmates' autobiography carefully. Try to understand the overall message and look for the structure. Can you recognize the situation, task, action, and result? Step 2. Identify the problem. As you read, pay attention to the organization. Are any STAR elements missing? Are they out of order? Is something unclear or too general? Make notes on what part of the STAR structure could be improved or developed further. Step 3. Check the discussion. After writing your comments and uploading them through iClass, check the next video about my discussion on these writings. Let's begin with the first step. You will read 3 paragraphs from your classmates' autobiographies. As you read, try to identify each part of the STAR structure. What is the situation? What is the task? What action did they take? What was the result? At the same time, look for any problems in organization. Are any parts missing, unclear, or out of order? Take notes so you can provide thoughtful and constructive feedback afterward. Paragraph 1. Take your time to read the paragraph carefully. In high school, I was elected president of the pop music club. My responsibility was to lead and manage the club's activities, including motivating members and organizing performances. During my 2-year term, I successfully planned and executed 3 concerts, 2 of which were joint events involving 4 schools. These concerts strengthened inter-school collaboration and received enthusiastic responses from audiences. Paragraph 2. Take your time to read the paragraph carefully. In 2024, I went to Belize as an exchange student at the University of Belize. My main task was to immerse myself in both academic and cultural experiences while achieving a strong performance in English. I participated actively in class, joined the College Christian Club to learn more about the local culture, and earned a B2 certification in the exchange program. As a result, I strengthened both my language and cultural adaptability skills while forming friendships across cultures. During the exchange, I interned at the university's Childhood Stimulation Center, where I worked closely with preschool teachers and children. I was assigned to assist with classroom activities and help develop learning materials. I contributed by co-planning sessions, supporting children one-on-one, and observing teaching styles. This experience led me to co-organize a workshop for preschool lecturers, sharing insights from Taiwan's educational practices and learning theirs in return. Paragraph 3. Take your time to read the paragraph carefully. My academic path reflects both breadth and depth in linguistics. I've completed rigorous coursework in syntax, semantics, and phonology while actively engaging in interdisciplinary studies that connect linguistics with cognitive science and data science. For 3 years, I served as an undergraduate teaching assistant in both linguistics and literature courses, supporting students in academic writing, coordinating classroom activities, and helping lead discussions. This teaching experience taught me how to communicate complex ideas clearly and empathetically. Additionally, I worked as a research assistant for a year, where I contributed to data management and project coordination, strengthening my research skills and deepening my appreciation for collaborative inquiry. On the quantitative side, I've built a solid foundation in linear algebra, probability, and statistics, performing well in each and applying them to linguistic and cognitive research settings. Now let me walk you through today's task. First, you'll identify any problems with how the star structure is used in the previous 3 paragraphs. After that, go to iClass and complete the questions related to your review. Second, watch the discussion video. It will help you better understand how to evaluate a star paragraph and give more accurate feedback. Finally, based on what you've learned from reviewing others and watching the video, revise your own autobiography to make it more organized and effective. Be sure to complete all 3 steps to strengthen both your writing and your ability to compose an effective autobiography with AI assistance.